Hi everyone, welcome back. It's harvest season and my mom has cleared out her veggie garden and she gave me some of these awesome peppers. Ta-da! You know what? I don't know the name of them. I googled it and some say it's habanero pepper, but habanero pepper don't look like little bell peppers. I have no idea what they're called, but my mom plant them every single year and stuff them with fish paste or pork and pan fry it. It's really, really good. So I'm gonna do that today. And plus on top of that, I went shopping and I found these interesting, well, they're habanero pepper. It's my first time seeing them. They look like little pumpkins. Isn't it nice? It's so pretty. See? They look different. This is habanero with a little tip. Oopsie. And this one is, it looks like little miniature bell pepper. I don't know what's it called. Please help me. I googled it. I have no idea what the name of it is. So if you can tell me, that would be awesome. So we're gonna do this today. Stuff little bell peppers. What you need today is peppers, an egg, ground pork, cornstarch, white pepper, oyster sauce, soy sauce, sesame oil, cooking wine, green onion, So now that all the prepping is done, we're just gonna stuff the pepper and fry it. So it's done. It is so yummy. Are you salivating yet? It's so good. Let's try. See? Mm. It's not spicy at all. It tastes like serrano pepper. Has a pepper taste, but it's not spicy at all. And just remember to remove all the seeds, otherwise it might have a little bit of a kick. I'm so happy that I didn't go with this. It is so spicy. I took a little chunk of it. It was so hot. It was actually, to me, it was like chili pepper or even a little bit spicier without the seed. It's just the pepper on its own. My mouth was burning for 5 minutes straight on. It was on fire. I had to think of something to decrease the heat. I drank milk. I stuck an ice cube in there. Nothing helped. You just have to wait it out. So you know what? Scrap this. This looks pretty, but it's super spicy. Just stick with the green one. I told you my mom has a veggie garden and she grows all kinds of vegetables. One of them is the pepper. She also does long bean, bitter melon, winter melon, chayotes. This, ta-da-da-da! Have you had it before? Chayote? It's prickly, but it doesn't hurt. It's a soft little thorn. I'll show you how to cook this the Chinese way. So if you like this dish, remember to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye! Okay, can I do this? Ah! And you know what? I suck.